I just got back into town, so let's reset.
Luckily, my downstairs is basically all really clean. I'm getting my electrolytes in. The upstairs just really turns into a disaster when I'm trying to pack. We got laundry and clothes everywhere. It's literally just the amount of stuff I have is why it's such a mess upstairs. I did forget to clean the fridge out before I went out of town, though. Maybe we should do that. Oh God, nasty. Yeah, no. 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 I didn't know I had this. Dang it. Okay. No. Stale as shit. Ugh. No. Oh. Oh, absolutely not. Oh. 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 What is that? These flies? Oh. Go away. Oh. Oh, gross. Oh. Oh. Oh, that's horrible. Ew, 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 ew.